Hi everyone, this is my weekly planner that I use every day and appears in my videos a lot. And I've received a lot of comments asking about the details of how I use it. So today I'll talk you through it. I know many brands have these similar layouts, so you can easily adapt this format to your own planner. But if you are curious, this is the Paper Ideas Weeks Planner. Mine is the 2025 dated version. They also offer undated version, so you can start anytime without wasting pages. I'll put the link in the description box below. This planner includes a monthly calendar followed by weekly pages. So let's dive into the weekly layouts first. On the left, there's one block for each day, and on the right is plain grade page. On the left side, you'll notice two tiny dots on each line which help you divide the space if needed. I usually split each day into two sections, one larger and one smaller. The larger section is for more important tasks, mostly work-related, while the smaller section is for chores, life admin, and appointments with specific times. And on the right side, I use it for different sections. Tasks, chores, lists, and habits. Tasks and chores are things I need to do but haven't scheduled for a specific day yet. Tasks are obviously more important, while chores are more for life admins. And when I plan, I allocate these to specific days. And as the week goes, when I have tasks I need to do on the day, I just directly put them into the days on the left instead of here. Lists is where I track my book, music, and movie or TV show of the week. It's more for recording rather than planning, comparing to tasks and chores. I usually could only focus on one book per week, and for music, I put my favorite song or artist of the week here. I often listen to the same song on repeat for ages before moving on to the next one. Please let me know in the comments if you do the same. And for habit tracker, my main habit tracker is in my bullet journal, but here I track smaller habits. They are more of a reminder to me, like tidying my desks, unplugging my laptop, limiting screen time, or even brushing my cat. At the top right, this is the part people ask about the most. It's my 24-hour time block where I track my entire day. I categorize my time into 5 types, which are color-coded here. They are work, life admins like chores, eating, commuting, etc. Self-improvement like reading and working out. And screen time. Here is only for entertainment screen time, and work-related screen time isn't counted here. And number 5 is sleep. I keep it simple here to make tracking easy and consistent. If my planner isn't with me all day, I can still recall the key events and fill it in later. The time can definitely be divided into more categories, but I thought it would be too overwhelming and might be time-consuming as well. And directly below the time block is my productivity tracker. This section gets a lot of questions because it doesn't have a title. I ran out of space. The time block and productivity tracker even share the same days of the week here. The productivity rating is based on how I feel about the day. I haven't figured out an easy way to measure it accurately or statistically, so it's more of a personal reflection. Did I complete my planned tasks? Did I spend too much time scrolling on my phone? It's a quick way to assess my overall productivity, I guess. And once the week is done, I normally add some doodles or stickers to fill it up. I love seeing a fully packed page. Now let's move on to the monthly calendar. Please do note that there are some slight differences between the dated and undated version of this planner. The dated version has a white calendar page, while the undated one is pink and white. The dated version includes 4 lines at the bottom and a monthly project section, which I think could make a good habit tracker. The undated version actually has more lines at the bottom instead. So I don't use the monthly calendar for tasks much. Before setting up my monthly theme, I drop down tasks in the left section, which provides plenty of space. I do this mainly because I have a color or drawing theme for each month, and might use different colored pens. Otherwise, I would have written them directly to the specific dates. Once the setup is complete and the month begins, I move tasks to the assigned dates and stop adding them to the monthly calendar. So I decided to use the monthly calendar to track my meals and coffee intake. In January, I only allowed for 1 line per meal, but it wasn't enough. So from February onwards, I switched to 2 lines per meal. At the bottom of the calendar, I summarize my daily time usage. Each day, I total up the hours for work, sleep, self-improvement, and screen time, and put them all here, forming a mini bar chart. This way, it's so much easier to compare my time usage across days. I leave out life admin since it's less important, and I round times to the nearest whole number or 0.5 so it's easier to log. Alright, that's everything about my week's planner. Let's do a quick flip through to see how it's coming along this year. The Paper Ideas Week's planner is available in my stationery shop, but we only have the undated version now since nearly 3 months have passed. Link in the description box below. There are also some fun and functional pages at the front and back of the planner. If you'd like a detailed flip through, check out my 2025 planner setup video. I'll link it here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. It really means a lot to me. Let's plan together and stay organized. Bye for now.